Samantha hat, I'm using 2 skeins of I Love This Cotton. I'm going to chain 76. 1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20, 28, 29, 30, 40, 41, 42, 50, 51, 52, 60, 61, 62, 70, 74, 75, 76. Make sure your chain is flat up. With just your left hand, half twist the yarn, the left end of the chain, half times. Now before you twist, you're only going to twist it to the back. That makes it a half twist. You're not going to full twist it, you're going to half twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your crochet hook into the last chain. Make sure the tail is out of the way. We're going to crochet into this top part of the chain. Start with top part of the chain. See how it's twisted on the bottom? I'm using a size 10.5 K hook, 6.5 millimeters. This is in cotton, nice for summer. Make sure I'm still on the back side. And you can tell because the upside down ease, I'm crocheting in the top part of the chain. There's the top, middle, and bottom part of the chain. You need to twist that chain. Go. There's a little tight chain there. I like to get in each and every chain. This is the tail, and this is the mid part. This is going to be your marker rail. So in case you're on one side, the tail will be on your side. When you're on midway through the row, it'll be on the other side. You just worked on the bottom became the top. Look at the chain, see how it's starting to twist, that 5 twists for the Samantha hat? Work into the single strands. That is the last single strand. See how it looks so far. See how it's twisty? There's your tail. It doesn't matter which side, if your tail's on the front or in the back, but they're going to be in different positions when you're starting your row around. See how it's twisty? And everything's going to be based on that twist, and the hat begins to twist. And I like to single crochet 1 in the first back loop. Now front post, from the front to the back, back around to the front, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, yarn over again, pull through both loops. Now back post single extended crochet stitch, come from the back to the front, back to the back, yarn over, pull to the back. There's 2 loops, yarn over, pull the loop through the first loop only, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. Here's the twisted chain for the Samantha hat so far.